Oh yeah. Ooh. Darn. Oh yeah, you guys, so much fun. Opening up my lucky box today. 806 tickets. Hey everyone, I want to recommend to you a super fun app called Pocket 7 Games. And this app is perfect for those that don't have a lot of time to have fun, but want to win small cash. So on this app, you could play games like bingo, solitaire, blackjack, and each game is only 3 minutes. You could actually play with people on your skill level and both compete for some real cash, Amazon gift cards, some things you might need in your everyday life, such as a coffee maker, TV, camera, and AirPods. I have put the download link and a gift code in the descriptions below this video. Use my gift code when you try out the Pocket 7 games in the App Store and you will get $5 bonus cash. And let me know how you like it. All right, so the first meal I'm gonna show you is actually breakfast. And with this, I just sprayed a pan with some coconut oil spray and 2 eggs. That looks like a face, right? Anyways, I got this pug cheese from Trader Joe's. It's so good. It's just cheddar and jalapenos. Oh my gosh, it's the best spread ever. So I put that on toast, and then I added a 1/4 cup of avocado, cause you know, points. And then I added the 2 eggs that had pepper and salt and a little bit of tapatio, and then fruit. Of course, pineapple is so good for you guys. You don't even understand. Google it. You will see all the benefits of it, and I love it. Blueberries too. So moving on to another meal. This one is so good. I'm putting what you need down below, but I got this from the Skinnydish. She makes the best Weight Watcher recipes ever. Every time I make something from her blog, it just comes out tasting delicious. And with this recipe, I like it because you can kind of work with it yourself. If you want to add more chili powder in it, you can. More chili flakes or cayenne pepper, you can. I just love those kind of recipes where, you know, you can work with the flavor. But anyways, I had the chicken in there for about 7 hours. No, it was 8 hours. And that's just white onion, pineapple out of a can because I didn't feel like cutting up some pineapple. For the coleslaw, I actually just bought a bag of coleslaw without, you know, having to shred up some carrots and all of that. So I just got the bag of coleslaw and I added some jalapenos and some jalapeno brine, apple cider vinegar and more. And then after 8 hours, there you go. The chicken was done, and this was so good, you guys. So good. Like, I could have just had it in a bowl without the bun, to be honest. Okay, I took a nap longer than expected, but anyways, I was on YouTube and I found this cooking with Claudia, and this chicken looks so good. So I'm gonna try to copy what she did. Here is the recipe for you guys. Also put her link down below for this video so you guys could see. But yeah, I'm gonna try to make this. I don't have asparagus, but I am gonna make some white rice for the kids and then some mashed cauliflower for myself. So yeah, let's make this. Okay, I just volunteered Jay to help me out with this, but she's gonna make some white rice for the family for the side with our dinner. So Jay, did you wash your hands?
So I'm on a 4 serving, so I'm just gonna follow the instructions. So it says, okay.
Go. You gotta make it go all the way to 2 cups.
I need to open another box.
Let's go up a little, yeah.
So I'm gonna pour the rice in the thing.
Rice cooker.
Oh.
Go.
So I'm going to put the rice in the rice cooker. Whoa! Now, 2 cups of water. Hey guys. Now, are you recording? So now I'm gonna put the water in. Ooh, that looks so cool, doesn't it? So I'm gonna give it a little mix, so then I make sure the water is touching all the rice. So I shut the rice cooker. Now I'm gonna push menu, and
It's already on rice cooking.
wow.
And so, start. Perfect.
Wow, really easy. So when it beeps, it's done. It's amazing.
All right, so then we're gonna have some mashed cauliflower. And I'm gonna just make this over the saucepan, just following the instructions. So I will let you guys see a little glimpse here and there. It's gonna be my first time making this, so hopefully it comes out good. I'm probably gonna season it a little more with like some other stuff, but we'll see. All right, so this is thawing out, and then I did some kind of research looking it up, like other ways to make it, and I saw someone put Greek yogurt in it, so I'm probably gonna do that and then add a little bit of paprika and garlic powder. So that's what I'm gonna do, just filling you guys in, just so it's a little more creamier. But I did spray it with some coconut oil as well. So yeah, it's already melting. Okay, so I put a little bit of the, what's that called? The Greek yogurt, some garlic powder, sea salt. What else did I put in there? I put something else in there. Paprika, and then now I'm just adding a dash of Parmesan, just like, okay, more than a dash, you guys. And I'll mix that up, and it should be done soon. I'm gonna lower the heat. Also for the chicken, I am gonna add a little bit of crushed red pepper because I feel like that would taste really good on the chicken. Just a little bit though, because I'm not sure if the kids are gonna eat some chicken, so yeah.
It's done. Eek! So now I'm gonna just stir it. When I serve it, I add butter. You can add whatever you want.
The chicken there, the mashed potatoes are done. And then I decided I'm gonna add some green beans after into the same juice right there with some butter and garlic and chili flakes. Yeah. All right guys, my kid's already eating the chicken. He likes it. We've got this almost done, the green beans. That's got all the seasoning that YouTuber, I can't think of her name now, I feel so bad, but she used that for her asparagus, and it sounded good with some green beans. My daughter's already eating the cauliflower mashed potatoes, which she loves, and she's eating her amazing rice. You're blurry, but her rice came out really good. So yeah, we're gonna just finish eating. I'm gonna make my husband play myself one, and done. All right, and there you have it. You got the chicken, the rice, the cauliflower, and the green beans. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect.